Hi everyone, welcome back to G Suite Solutions. Today I'll be launching part 1 in a playlist related to developing your own custom approval workflow in G Suite. So this first video will walk through an entire demonstration of the add-on, and then in part 2 will be the how-to and the building of the add-on. So in this example on the left-hand side I have the admin account, and on the right hand side I have a teacher account. So these are all the components I needed to build the add-on, and before I dive into this I just want to say we all know how powerful the individual G Suite applications are, but when you tie them together, like we're about to do right here, they become even more powerful and more flexible and useful. So in this particular demonstration we'll be combining Google Docs, Gmail, Forms, Google Sheets, and Google Calendar to essentially process a field trip request. So here we go. Let's just start by requesting a field trip. So teacher 1, who is over here, decides to go to the Lincoln Memorial for a trip. And this is to learn more about Abraham Lincoln. And I'll just grab the address, which I preloaded over here. And we're going to pick a date. And let's say this is going to happen on Wednesday. And we're going to leave right away in the morning. And we're not going to come back till right around dismissal. And submit. So what's happened now is the form is going through an autocrat process that will generate an actual Google form based on this template. So we have an approval template. It looks something like this. All of these merge tags will be replaced with the data from the request form. Notice here there's a spot that I've marked for official use only. Below this spot there will be a stamp that offers either the approval or rejection of this request. So, and of course, if I go into the email of the admin person, through the autocrat process, I'm given a notification that there has been a request. So I can open that up, and it says a new field trip request has been submitted. Please review the details. Use the approve or deny field trip add-on to process the request. So great, everything's here. I could click directly right here to open this up. But what I want to take you into now is the actual app script itself to process this. So here is the custom add-on and the code for it. Notice that it has no HTML file. In other words, this is a UI-free add-on. There's no user interface whatsoever. It's a simple approve or deny click that triggers a multitude of processes just to streamline sort of the notifications, what calendars this event needs to go on, if it's approved, who needs to get the rejection information or the approval notification, and all of that sense. So what I'm now going to do is go to run, and we're going to test this as an add-on, and I'm going to select that doc, Lincoln Memorial. So here is our field trip request, and we're going to open it up through the add-on test. And the reason I haven't fully deployed this is I want to include the deployment process as part of this video tutorial. Hence we're running it from a test mode to just facilitate the demonstration in this video. So now I'm going to expand this a little bit. Under my add-ons, I will have the approve or deny field trip. Like I said, there's no UI. If I click here, if I want to approve this, if I'm going to deny it, I'll click deny. So this first time around, I'm going to go ahead and click Approve. So notice here that as I approve it, I get a green approval stamp and a time-stamped signature of when this was approved. And in addition to that, Teacher 1 has just received an email that says, this confirms that Lincoln Memorial visit, January 30th, 2019, has been approved. So even the teacher now can go in and has view-only access to the document. So this can't be modified in any way, but they can see that, oh great, everything's been approved. And on top of that, if I go ahead on my calendar to January 30th, I will notice that right here, there is a calendar event already automatically uploaded to the field trip calendar. And attached to that calendar event is again the same field trip form. So that's a really powerful workflow that saves you a ton of time, a one-click process to upload the event to the field trip calendar, the notification emails, and then of course Autocrat will file everything into one folder, so all of the field trip requests are safely stowed in one folder. Now let us explore what happens when we reject a field trip request. So in a similar fashion, I would go to the add-on menu, select the approve or deny field trip add-on, and then choose deny. By denying it, I will stamp the Google Doc with the rejection symbol, and almost immediately an email is sent to the teacher confirming that the Lincoln Memorial field trip is just not going to work out this time. So that's essentially the workflow. And again, no calendar event would either be posted on the 30th either because of the rejection. So this is essentially the workflow that we're going to be building in subsequent videos. I hope I can break this out into very simple pieces for you to build this by yourself. So thanks for watching. Bye.